Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to the window of LinkedIn app and you click here in this page. After that, in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can give you a lot of problems on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.